Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili ramen. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 packet of instant ramen, a good quality chili oil, and your favorite protein, perhaps some thinly sliced chicken or tofu. Don't forget fresh garnishes like green onions and a perfectly soft-boiled egg. Also, have soy sauce, sesame oil, and minced garlic on hand to enhance the flavors. These simple items are the foundation for a fantastic bowl. Now, let's get cooking. Bring about 2 cups of water to a boil in a small saucepan. Add your ramen noodles and cook them for approximately 2 minutes, or until they are just tender. Next, carefully drain most of the water, leaving only about 1/4 cup in the pot with the noodles. This small amount of liquid will create a rich, flavorful sauce. Finally, stir in the ramen seasoning packet and 1 tablespoon of your chili oil. To truly elevate your chili ramen, it's time for some flavor boosters. Stir in about 1 teaspoon of soy sauce and a small dash of sesame oil for a nutty aroma. For an extra layer of savory depth, add some freshly minced garlic or a pinch of garlic powder. Once everything is well combined, transfer your ramen to a serving bowl. Now, for the finishing touches, garnish with plenty of sliced green onions and that perfectly soft-boiled egg. Your homemade chili ramen is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately while it's piping hot to savor all those wonderful flavors. Feel free to customize it further with a little extra chili oil if you like more heat, or a squeeze of fresh lime juice for a bright, zesty kick. And speaking of staying refreshed, remember to check out the Oala water bottle mentioned in the description below, along with other great deals. It's perfect for keeping your favorite drink cold all day long. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.